Welcome to the Shortwave radio channel. So this is the M12 Moscow, Russia spy number station. So this is like a diplomatic station. Basically, they send out to, someone was saying, well, you know, do they really send out to spies? Well, no, they're probably sending out to another embassy somewhere. So 17427 at 16 hours Universal Time. I was looking at the Priam website for that, and I'm going to check out because in 20 minutes there's going to be another M12 Morse code, but it'll be in the 16 megahertz range. We're going to try that one too. Not very strong as a signal, but using the digital noise reduction on the Yaesu, I'm able to filter it out a little from the noise, the background noise. So this is kind of cool. So this is encrypted CW. They're sending out a bunch of groups of letters, numbers. That means something to someone. And it is received with the M12 antenna here in my backyard here in Montreal. So comes from different locations. So I say Moscow, but when you look at the details of M12, it has several different locations across Russia, from European Russia to Asiatic Russia. So it depends on the time. This one is more like European Russia for its transmission.